Here's how I built this stunning website for my latest client, Temple Property Holdings. First of all, we started off with a meeting. This was to discuss the branding, the logo, and the website. Then I created a WhatsApp group chat, as well as the Google Drive to add content, and a website timeline to track progress. Next, I started brainstorming logo ideas for the business. Then I created some initial logo designs. I tried to match what the client had in mind. Then after some discussions and some revisions to the logo, I created these 3 variations of the final logo for Temple Property Holdings. Then it was time to create the coming soon landing page for the website. This is what traffic will see while the website's being built. Then I downloaded my essential plugins. Then I created the fav icon for the website. This is the little icon you can see on all websites. After creating the structure and the pages for the website, it was time to start actually designing the website itself. I used this blue, black and white color palette for the website. And after that, I had a design review meeting to discuss the progress of the website. After getting feedback, it was time to start adding the content and images and everything to the website. Then it's time to add some functionality to the website. I integrated MailChimp to the website to allow the website to collect emails and started to create the foundation of what the blog is going to look like on the website. I designed the blog page and added custom CSS to allow the blog to match the customer's brand. It was then time to create the contact form for the website. This will allow my client to easily collect leads. Again, added some custom CSS code. Then I created a branded map to allow people to locate the business. It was then time to make sure the website is responsive and looks good on all types of devices. The next step was SEO, search engine optimization, to allow the website to rank high on Google. As always, I make sure all my websites load fast and I tested the speed of the website. And that's how I built this luxury website for my latest client.